This video is to show you how to find definitions better and easier. While you are on your Google Docs, click on Tools, click on Explore, and you will see this right over here. So the first thing you want to use or to find is genetic variation. Hit enter after typing, and you will see web images and drives. So from the web, you will see all the definitions over here, and you can get any of this. And then you can see images. So the first one is I want the most simple. So I'm going to go with genetic variation refers to diversity in gene frequencies. I can actually just copy that and paste over here. Control C, Control V. Now I need to find the image. Click on images. Genetic variation. I can use this or I can use that. I think I'm going to use this, so I'm going to drag that over here. And there you go. You have the definition and you have the images. I hope you can use this faster and easier.